going to Europe for a few months and we're going to be doing a 10,000 mile road trip. Now before we do that, there's three things that are really important to us. That's reliability, security and comfort. In today's video, we're going getting an awning fitted. Now before I tell you about everything that we're doing and tell you about the road trip, the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to Volkswagen to get a service done. We're here at Volkswagen Oldham. Now you might remember in one of the previous videos that we did, we came here because we had an engine overfill warning light that came on. Now if you've not seen that video, basically what we ended up doing is taking about 300 ml of oil out. That basically rectified the problem, which tells us that it was probably a DPF regen issue. Watch the previous video if you've not seen it, because that gives a lot of like explanations of like what happened there. So we're here at Volkswagen Oldham and we're with Adam, the technician again. You okay there, Adam?
Not too bad.
He's so excited to see me, that's what it is. Very quickly, I've just been saying before, and obviously the way I word things, I'm not always technically correct, but that warning light didn't come back on, so taking that 300 ml of oil came out, so I'm right in saying that's pretty concrete proof that it was
perfect proof indeed. That just a DPF deep regen, which would have kicked a bit of diesel into the oil.
Perfect.
Yeah, no software update required on that one. So that was a good
excellent
outcome.
But today we are here and we are getting the service done.
I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds. I can hear it now. Of your heartbeat.
Just for general knowledge, how many litres of oil do we have in here, Adam?
So yours takes 7.4, that's including the oil filter capacity. So if you used to change your oil without changing the oil filter, you probably put about 7.1 in.
Right,
the oil filter capacity is about 0.3 per litre. Your spec is a 0.30s as well.
Okay, interesting to know. Whilst we're here, we're going to get the AdBlue topped on.
That's your service all finished now, Tom, so hopefully see you after you get your trip.
Thank you very much. I'll send you a postcard. I need to remember that now because I will do it. So thank you very much to Adam for servicing the vehicle. So right, let's go. Thank you very much to Volkswagen Oldham and Adam and the whole gang for looking after us. I've been in there. Don't forget guys, you don't have to pay for your servicing costs up front. You can actually do an all-in service plan with Volkswagen. The all-in plan includes up to 2 years warranty, 2 services, 2 MOTs and 2 years roadside assistance, and you'll save a lot of money if you have a look at these plans. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for you. So, as we mentioned in this video, reliability, check. Next thing, comfort. Like I said, we're going to get an awning fitted, so let's go and get that done. So as part of our travel plans, we've decided to get a folding e-bike. Now this e-bike, it's got a 350 watt motor, this 48 volt, 7.5 amp hour battery. It means that you can get up to 37 miles. Now I've come out in the country and as you can see, the roads, you know, they're very hilly and now before we take it on a test ride, let's show you what's in the box when this arrives. As you can see, this is well packaged. It's got plenty of padding in here, it's all strapped together, everything's in here. There's lots of accessories, you get an extra box and this has got like tools in it and things so that you can put the bike together. The pedals do come separate in this, you know, but it's really easy. You just put them on, attach them, make sure they're nice and tight. When you take your DYU C2 e-bike out the box, just plug the charger in and after a couple of hours it'll be fully charged and you're good to go. With an adjustable seat, adjustable handbars, this e-bike has also got disc brakes. It also comes with a headlight as well, and I'll just quickly show you if I come round here. It's got a brake light as well, so when you press the brakes, as you can see, the brake light comes on and off. Now this light is very powerful. I'll just switch it on and show you. Now you've got the adjustable panel, you've got 3 different levels of power. You just press up and down, and that's like gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, and to turn the lights on, you just tap it, hold, and I'll just quickly show you around here. And the lights come on. To turn your e-bike on, there's a power button here, you just press and hold this, and then you've got your mode button here to set the different modes like the speedometer. Now we're out here in the country and what I'm going to do is I'm going to really quickly show you how easy it is to fold this bike. E-bike can take up to £350 and it can have a 25 kilo weight on the rack that you've got here. But what I also like about this e-bike is it's got a shock absorber, so when you go over, you know, like a bit of rough terrain, you don't have to worry about it. You know what? Let's go for a ride. As you can see, that's some steep terrain there, so let's see what it gets on. I've just set off, I'm pedalling with the ease. I've got it on power, I've got it on power 2, let's put it on power 3, put it on power 3. And do you know what, it's climbing up here with ease. I'm really pleased with this bike, and do you know what, going to be using it a lot as part of our sort of adventures and journeys and travel. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in looking at one of these, and check it out for yourselves. So it's a few hours later and we're here, and as you can see, it's now got the awning on.
Make sure that pulls out.
Yeah.
And your leg can put it down. Pulls down your wing nut. And do the wing nut. So you can wind them all the way out without doing this, but I always go a bit cautious.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, and then you can just sort of like step it out and yeah. Do it.
Let's do that and then continue winding.
You can even put this out if it's just lightly raining and stuff as well.
Yeah.
You've got an extra space.
Brandon, AJC, thank you very much.
Can I just point out, I've been asking for one of these since
Oh.
we had the old van.
I was always saying with it, but do you remember the first time we came here? I was like saying when we had the transporter, I was like, oh, I didn't want a diesel heater for 3 years. We didn't have one,
yeah.
and then you was when we came, and then you fit the diesel heater, and you was like, yeah, this is going to be a game changer. This,
Everything's like that. Every mod you do.
yeah,
It's the same.
fantastic. We're at that point now where we are getting everything ready and we're getting everything loaded in the van, getting all the bedding done and everything. Okay, Brooke's doing that. I'm not doing that. How you doing, Brooke?
Packing.
All the food away.
Yep. So we're nearly almost packed and the bed's made, and on the last holiday we didn't have any quality water bottles, so I decided to get some. So I got this one from Bottle. So Bottle has 2 ways to drink it. One like this, or one like this. So the good thing about Bottle is you can have hot drinks or cold drinks, and it keeps them cold for up to 24 hours and also hot. So another good thing about these bottles is you can unscrew the bottle and you can put things like your keys in there or vitamins. I got myself one of these. Tom got a little bit jealous and then I had to buy one of his own. So look at the size of one Tom got.
Let's unbox it, Brooke. Let's unbox it. Ooh. Yeah, but you know what? The thing is, I'm going to be like walking about and I'll be like sharing my water with all, won't I? So.
If it's something you want to have a look at yourself, I'll put a link in the description.
So, are we ready?
Well, I need to do my hair and that, but other than that, yeah.
Do you know what? It's holiday time. European road trip coming up. Let's go. And do you know what? In the next video, someone else is coming with us as well.
Who?
You have to wait till the next video.